Hey guys, I want to do a video on a couple things that are going on right now, and hopefully if you catch this video, if you're in the market for a heating and air system. I have some friends that are in the real estate market. We meet once a week. One of them's a realtor and one of them's a mortgage lender. So they have a really good grasp on that industry and what's going on and things that are happening. And one of the things that they were talking about is how the industry is changing, and that 6 months ago they were seeing social media posts where somebody would say, hey, I just posted a house and within an hour I had 19 offers and 3 of them were over asking, things like that. And the market has just been crazy for the last bit, and we're starting to see that in the heating and air industry as well. I just sold a job the other day where the customer was telling me that another large company in our area, Griffin Airs area, that they were 3 times our price. 3 times our price. So not $1,000 higher, 3 times. I don't remember exactly what the price was or which option they went with us, because we usually offer a good, better, best type proposal. If our proposal was for 10 grand, that means they were selling the same system for 30 grand. That is just crazy to me. And so you can say that it's boldness. That's kind of what I was thinking of calling this video, the boldness of companies or the boldness of sellers of a house is going to be different. It's going to be changing over the next good little bit, but you might call it price gouging. The price gouging is going to be ending, but whether you call it boldness or price gouging, I do think that that's coming to an end, at least for a while. And so now where do we go from here? So we do have, again, the new SEER 2 systems are starting to hit the market. They're already being offered by a lot of the big manufacturers. You'll be able to get your hands on them. And we've already talked about some of the price hikes with that. I think that if I were to be talking to you one-on-one, if you are a homeowner you're buying a heating and air system, you maybe caught this video, is I would say for the next good little while, you're gonna see a delay. You're gonna see parts and equipment that we would have been able to get our hands on pretty quickly, usually within a day or two, if not a week. You're going to see some things taking more like 2, 3, 4 weeks, maybe a month, right? And I think that'll probably end as well. Definitely by next summer, I would think that that should be remedied. So despite the price hikes that we've seen, it'll be interesting to see if companies continue to be bold in the next 6 months, or will things start to come back down? I know with inflation, and now we're starting to see during the making of this video, gasoline prices are expected to take another price hike with all the stuff happening, and that always seems to affect all pricing. I think even with that said, if you're in the market for a heating and air system, that it's hard to say really if it's time to sit and wait, or should you go ahead and pull the trigger. I would say in a lot of cases, maybe go ahead and pull the trigger because you don't know the future. But I do think that you should be getting multiple quotes, because a lot of these companies that have been so bold in the past couple months are maybe seeing if they can still get away with that. I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, what are your thoughts? Are you buying a heating and air system? Have you seen some of that boldness or price gouging? I'd love to hear about that. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.